How to make money in the stock market. It could be Nigeria Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, or any of the stock exchange across the globe. How can I make money in any of these stock exchange if I should invest? So there are different ways by which you can make money in the stock exchange. One of the most popular ways is what we call dividend. Now, when you hear dividend, it's simply part of the company's profit that are being distributed to shareholders. For instance, if a company make a sum of 1 million naira today, part of that profit will be retained for the growth of the company, maybe 500,000. The remaining 500,000 will now be distributed to shareholders. That is dividend. That is one of the ways. In fact, in Nigeria Stock Exchange, a company like UBA Bank, they've declared dividend, which is second time this year. Stanbic has declared dividend, which is also second time this year. The king of dividend itself, which is the Senate Bank, also declared dividend, which is to be paid this month, being second time. So if you have owned that stock even last month, you have invested, you will have been qualified to receive dividend in this very month. So that is one of the ways by which you can make money from the stock exchange. The second one is what we call capital appreciation. Now let me explain this by looking from the angle of this NASCON stock that I bought around January this year. I bought that stock NASCON when it was trading around 31 naira, because I'm a type that loves to buy a stock when the price is bouncing off from the key region based on technical analysis. I love to buy a stock when the price is very low. I call it buying from the bottom of the market. It is very wrong for you to buy a stock after the price has rallied, because I see some cases in which some people will just be recommending stock for people. You will not recommend a stock for people when the price is very low. It is after the party, after the court has rallied, you now begin to make a recommendation to you to buy the stock. That is not how to go about it. It's not the best. Now, today, NASCON is trading around 95, 96 naira. It has appreciated. That is capital appreciation from 31 to over 90 naira. So if I should sell today, what I collect will become capital gain. That's another method. Then the third way by which you can also make money from the stock market is what we call bonus. And sometimes a company may not declare dividend, but they declare bonus. Bonus is giving additional units of shares to the existing shareholders. A company like Link Assurance this year did not declare dividend, but they declare bonus for the existing shareholder. Which means if you have bought that stock around June this year, you will have been qualified to collect bonus. So they can say, okay, if you have 10 before, we'll give you 2. So if you have 20, you get 4. That is bonus. You'll be given additional unit to the existing share that you have. So this is another way by which you can make money from the stock market, through capital appreciation, through dividend, through bonuses. So once you invest in the stock market, bear it in mind that you are there to make money. But don't forget, the best method of making money in all the stock market is what I call patience. You must exercise patience. As people that will just buy stock today, after 1 or 2 weeks, they say, I want to sell. Even when the stock has not appreciated, why selling? Why not exercise patience? Your patience is very matter. So when you exercise patience, you make a lot of money in the stock market. But if you cannot exercise patience, I doubt if you are going to make any reasonable money from the stock market. For now, let's call it a day. Thank you.